Hi friends! The ISERROR function returns the logical value true if value refers to any error value such as hash value not available, hash value, hash ref, hash div/0, hash num, hash name, or hash null. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's see how the ISERROR function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Here for demo purpose, we are using a worksheet according to the ISERROR function. The ISERROR function syntax has the following arguments. Value, which is the value that you want to test. Value can be a blank or empty cell, error, logical expression, text, number, reference value, or a name referring to any of these that you want to test. To check whether the value refers to any error value, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals ISERROR, open parentheses, select the cell you want to check, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It shows the logical value true if the value refers to any error value, otherwise it returns false. In the same way, you can check other cells also. It will show the logical value true if the value refers to any error value, otherwise it will return false. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.